Come have lunch with us today. We're making some delicious and healthy chicken wraps that are full of colorful vegetables, juicy chicken, all wrapped up in a bundle of goodness. So let's get started. So for this delicious recipe, you're gonna need some chicken. Here we have 4 beautiful chicken breasts, about 1 kilogram of meat. We have 3 different colorful bell peppers. You can use whatever colors you have. We have a tomato, some chili peppers, half a lemon, some ginger and a few garlic cloves, and some spices. Here we have salt, coriander powder, cumin, and turmeric, and some coriander and green onions. So all of these ingredients are so healthy and delicious. We just cut it up in julienne, long strips of chicken. Same thing with the peppers. You can cut them up in long, thin strips. It makes it easier to cook them like that. We chopped up the tomato, we chopped up the chili peppers, we juiced the lemon, we grated the ginger and the garlic, and we chopped up the coriander and the green onions. So in a skillet, we're going to heat the oil, a quarter cup of oil, and add in all the bell peppers. Look how beautiful that looks. It looks like a rainbow in your skillet. So we're just gonna saute them for 5 minutes until they soften. So we're gonna stir them for a few minutes. Let their flavors all come together. And then we're going to take them out into a plate and set aside. So these are gonna go on top of the chicken once the chicken is cooked. So in the same oil, in the same skillet, you're gonna add the garlic and the ginger. Give it a nice stir. And about a minute later, add in the chili peppers. And stir that all together. Allow the flavors to develop, and then we're going to add in the green onions. And saute this for another minute. Then we add in all the dry spices, so it's salt, coriander powder, cumin, and turmeric powder, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So stir that all up, combine everything that we have, and then add in the coriander and the tomatoes. So give it a nice stir, and just look how beautiful it looks when everything comes together. The green, the yellow, the red. It just looks like happiness in a plate. This is the joy of cooking and appreciating everything that we're blessed to have. Just added 2 tablespoons of water, and then stir everything together for another 2 minutes. And then it's time to add in all of the beautiful chicken that we cut into nice even strips. Now it's very important that you cut the chicken into even strips so that they cook at the same rate. So mix everything together and incorporate all of the ingredients, and this just looks amazing, and I wish I could tell you how great this smells. Your whole kitchen is gonna smell mouth-watering, and you just can't wait to eat this and share it with your family. So cover it with a lid and allow it to cook for 5-6 minutes, and after 5 to 6 minutes, take out the lid and cook it for a few more minutes to allow the water to evaporate. So in total, this takes about 10 to 12 minutes to cook, and then it's ready to be served. So we see here that all of the liquid has evaporated, and then mix in those beautiful colorful peppers, and there you have it. Turn off the heat, and look at that, it's just beautiful. Now here we have our favorite fresh vegetables that we cut up, some spinach, lettuce, tomatoes, avocado, and cucumbers. And here we have some whole wheat tortillas. You can also use any kind of bread that you have. Put some mayonnaise, your favorite dressing, and build up your chicken wrap the way you like it. So we have all of these greens, and then we layer it with some chicken and the peppers. This is so healthy, but it doesn't taste healthy. Like when you think of healthy, sometimes you think it's not gonna be good, you're gonna have to force it down your throat, but this is so mouthwatering and delicious. You wish you could have this every single day. So try this recipe out and let us know how good it is, and stay tuned for more delicious recipes coming up, and have yourself a great day, and see you next time.